Here's the best way to download every text message off your iPhone. No Mac, no PC, no cable. Save any conversation as a PDF, a spreadsheet, or plain text right on your phone. Here's how. First, grab TextPort free from the App Store. Open TextPort, tap on Add Chat, and select on your phone. Next, start a screen recording. This is how TextPort captures the conversation. Now open your messages. This works in iMessage, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you use. Scroll through the conversation at a normal pace. Now head back to TextPort, stop the recording. You can trim the conversation if you need to, and tap on Start Processing. TextPort reads every frame, pulling out each message with the sender and timestamp in the right order. After a few minutes, your conversation is ready. Tap on Export and pick your format. PDF gives you a clean, paginated document. That is what you want for court, your attorney, or printing. That's every text of your iPhone. PDF, spreadsheet, or plain text, whatever you need. Download TextPort. The link is in the description.